What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys see by the title, I'm going to be showing you how to wash a fully vinyl wrapped car. Now you can use this if it's just your hood that's vinyl wrapped, your roof that's vinyl wrapped, or like this thing, the whole freaking car is vinyl wrapped. It's pretty much the same process as washing a painted car. The one major difference I want you guys to know is what you want to use for the car wash soap. So I have two soaps here. One is what I use on my painted cars, like my Evo. This one I just picked up. I've actually never washed this car before, and I just did a bunch of research, looked at the 3M document on 3M's website on what car wash soap to use, and they recommend the 3M car wash. Of course, they recommend their own brand, and then Meguiar's Deep Crystal car wash. So I'm gonna have this down in the description box below, as well as the other stuff we're gonna need, which is a car wash bucket, and I've got a screen at the bottom of that to catch all the dirt, and then a nice microfiber wash mitt, and then microfiber towels to clean it or dry it off when we're all done. So the first thing we are going to do, guys, hose down the entire car with just water with a hose. If you don't have a hose and you're at a car wash station with a pressure washer, make sure it's like not over 2000 psi, or you may risk blowing your vinyl wrap off. So go and spray off the entire car, the jams, the wheel wells, get all that dirt and grime out of there. The next thing we're going to do before we start washing the body of the car itself is clean the wheels and tires. So what I like to use on just the tires themselves, spray them down with diluted degreaser. If you guys want to pick that up for your wheels and tires, I'll have that down below. It's just degreaser diluted 50% with water. We're just going to let that degreaser kind of just soak into those tires for a while. And in the meantime, we can start washing the body of the car. Also have this watch on. You're going to want to pull your watch off if you have one on. And if you're wearing jeans like me, just be super careful not to lean over the car. You don't want to scratch up your vinyl at all. I hope you guys can hear me fine throughout this whole video. It is a little bit windy out. I do have my dead cat thing on there, so that should reduce the wind noise a lot. But next step is to get our car wash soap into the bucket. Make sure your bucket's clean, make sure you got your screen in there. And I'm using the Meguiar's, like I said earlier, Meguiar's Deep Crystal car wash. The reason you don't want to use this stuff here, this is Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax, it's because it has wax in it, and a lot of people online are saying the wax can actually stain your vinyl wrap. So make sure you're just using stuff that does not have wax in it. I'd highly recommend these two brands that I mentioned earlier. I'm going to fill the bucket about 3/4 of the way up with the water. And now we can get to washing. We're going to start with the top of the car, the hood, the sides of the car, but not going too low, because that's where all the dirt is trapped, is on the bottom of the car and on the bumpers. So just start on the top. I have a big wing on this thing, so I'll clean that near the beginning, and then we can move on to the lower sections. Every panel we wash, we want to rinse our wash mitt off and get new fresh soap on it. Okay, the car is fully washed, the body of it. Now I'm going to move on to the wheels. If you guys want to see a full wheel tutorial on how to clean some expensive wheels, let me know in the comment section below, because I'll gladly do that for you guys. Alright, the car is fully washed, the wheels are washed. Now it's time to just rinse the car down. Same process as before, just start at the top and work our way to the bottom of the car. All right, we are fully done washing the car. Man, it is freezing outside. Fully done washing the car. Now it's time to dry it. So we're just gonna grab our microfiber towels and dry it off, guys. I'll have the towels I am using down in the description box below. They are kind of spendy. I can't exactly remember what brand they were. I bought them like 2 or 3 years ago, and they've held up awesome. They are kind of expensive though, so just know that they're spendy, but they are well worth it. Let's go ahead and get this thing dried off. So I'll be using these 2 towels on the entire car. And then I have the separate one here just for the wheels and the tires. And once again, guys, I'm gonna start at the top of the car. All said and done, your car should look like this. So like I already said, I'm gonna have all of the products I'm using down in the description box below, so make sure you guys go check all those out. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here, guys. If you have any questions at all regarding washing your wrapped vehicle, your wrapped hood, your wrapped roof, anything at all, let me know in the comment section below and I will be sure to get back to you guys. Now, if you enjoyed the video, I thought it was super helpful, go ahead, smash that subscribe button right up in that corner. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you really enjoyed the video, as always, please hit that share button down below. I will see you guys tomorrow.